Hello, welcome to our channel TravelScout. Canterbury is known for its beautiful cathedral and cozy medieval streets. A large number of young, international students give the city a more youthful feel and helps keep a good selection of pubs and a healthy cafe scene going. The Great Store River flows through different parts of the city, making it a beautiful backdrop, especially with its charming old buildings and green spaces. There is more activity on the city's shopping streets, where you can find everything from department stores. Canterbury is surrounded by beautiful countryside and small towns with fascinating histories outside the city center. Westgate Gardens. Even though Canterbury isn't the most stressful city, a stroll through the beautiful Westgate Gardens can make you feel better. These gardens start next to the medieval Westgate Towers and run along the calm waters of the River Stour. The Canterbury West train station is a 5-minute walk away. Well-kept lawns are a good place for a picnic or ice cream, and one of the most expansive trees you're likely to see provides shade. The ducks make most of the noise, but the flower beds are pretty and make good Instagram backgrounds. Whitefriars. In the pedestrian arcades of Whitefriar, you can find department stores, jewelry and clothing stores, and restaurants. You'll see a lot of tourists, students, and locals in the area, which is busy all week long. And if you have kids with you, go to the basement floor of Fenwick's department store, where there is a big toy store with lots of demos to enjoy. Enjoy the museums. Canterbury is a fantastic area to study the city's history, the county of Kent, and the nation as a whole, because history can be found virtually everywhere. Starting with the old classics, the Roman Museum is a terrific place to begin, and if you're traveling with children, it's even better because it has many interactive collections. Then you can go a little further back in time by going to the Beanie Museum, which has won many awards. Dane John Gardens. High city walls surround the park, and you can climb them to get a good view of Canterbury. But there are better views than that in the park. You can see the cathedral and the countryside beyond the city from the top of the Dane John Mound. This hill has been a Roman cemetery, a Norman castle, and even a place to store weapons at different historical points. Back at ground level, you can buy a snack at the kiosk and walk past the colorful flower beds, ornate fountain, and Victorian bandstand. Get your pilgrim passport. When you go to Canterbury, you can also get a pilgrim passport, just like people have done for thousands of years. So this is a more modern take on an old tradition. However, the fact that you've made the pilgrimage to Canterbury, like millions of other people throughout history, still deserves special recognition. Fordwich. On a sunny day, Fordwich is also a nice place to go. Along the Stour, there are beautiful wooded and riverside walks. People who like to fish and kayak also come here. The town's famous gastropub, the Fordwich Arms, is another reason to go there. This beautiful place is becoming known for its high-quality food, which you can enjoy in its wood-paneled dining room or by the calm waters of the River Stour. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.